If you want to do affiliate marketing but you don't want to show your face, there's a way you can do it, and I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. And don't worry about the competition because statistically speaking, only 3% will stay to the end and take action. Feel free to save this for future reference, and let's dive right in. So first thing you're going to want to do is select a niche of products that you wish to promote. Next, you want to join a marketplace like ClickBank, Digistore24, or even Amazon Associates. And now you want to find a product to promote. Here's one I found here called the Smoothie Diet. This is in the health and wellness category, and it's on ClickBank. This goes for about $29.26 that you could earn per commission. So now that you found a product that you want to promote, we're going to go to canva.com and we're going to create images that we can simply use for Pinterest. So now you're going to go to Canva, click create a blank Pinterest pin, and here you have a massive list of templates that you can simply use and customize yourself. We're simply going to choose 10 of them and drop them in right here. And now referring back to the product that we're promoting, we want to find images that are relevant. So in this case, I searched up smoothie, and here we have a bunch of images that I could simply drag in right here. So as you can see here, I went through the templates and I switched all the images around now just to come up with a different title. Once you've done that, come up here to where it says share, and then click on the button that says download. Download as PNG. Now heading over to Pinterest, create a Pinterest board in your niche, then click on create pin. Once you have your Pinterest board selected, all you're going to do is take each of the 10 images that you've created and post them one by one, each with a title, description, and your affiliate link down here. We have our title, description, and our link down here, so we can of course get the credit for the sale. Now we just hit publish. And it's as simple as that. Now whenever someone finds your pin, they decide to buy the product through your link, you will then earn a commission, and the benefit is you can do this for as many products as you want. Of course, I recommend sticking with one particular niche, but if you want to learn more in detail about how I do this full time, all you have to do is hit the follow, check out my profile, and I have a free training right there that shows you step by step over the shoulder how to create a full-time income online. I go even more in detail about how to do this full-time even as a complete beginner with no prior experience. So feel free to check that out. Otherwise, follow for more.